Oh, hello. Welcome to the first episode of Crumb Boss Price is Right. Who's Steph, the producer? Come on down.
Oh, I'm so excited. Maybe I won't trip and fall. But hopefully the phone call won't get interrupted.
All right, Steph, the producer, what do we have today? Today we're going to be bidding on these 4 products from the lovely Walmart, where I'm going to be making what am I making? A mustard sauce, a honey mustard sauce for my tofu bites that we just made. So you are going to guess how much each of these products cost that I just picked up.
Well, let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
Why are we playing The Price is Right on Crumb Boss TV?
Yeah, because there ain't nothing else to do. What else are you going to do today?
No, but you watch The Price is Right.
Oh, I love watching. We've been watching The Price is Right every single night now. And It is so fantastic. This is throwing me back to late 70s, early 80s. I mean, who wouldn't love to just take a day off from school and watch Price is Right, right? At 11 o'clock in the afternoon.
Yeah, well, I mean, or when you're sick or anything like that. But they're always like promoting all different stuff, right? Like,
Price is Right was nothing more than one big giant advertisement for an hour long.
I never really realized that you just said that.
I know. Well, we got to know our prices, didn't we? And man, I was good at it. And I'm still good at it.
Yeah. What's that?
Well, I'm going to make...
What's my first item up for bid in the bowl?
Your first item up for bid is So Delicious Coconut Milk. It is a vegan alternative for yogurt that is so delicious. Now, what's your first bid, Steph, the producer? How much do you think this... how much is this? This is 24 ounces of So Delicious coconut yogurt. How much do you think this costs? What's your bid?
Well, it's vegan, number one, so it's going to be really expensive.
Yeah. How much do you bid?
It's I'm going to bid $2.67.
Oh, I'm so sorry. It is $5.30.
$5.30 for coconut milk?
Coconut yogurt. But don't worry, you still got 3 more chances to win, and you'll be going into the Showcase Showdown.
The Showcase Showdown. I'm going to win that coffee pot in the back.
Yeah, this is the prize. You're going to win this French press coffee maker. That's what you get.
Isn't there another one in the back there, though?
Yeah, because we both drink coffee in the morning, and it's a single-serve French press. But you're only getting one.
Okay.
All right, the next item up for bid, which is what I put into my honey mustard dipping sauce, is Hellman's vegan mayonnaise. How much do you think this is? This is another 24 ounces of Hellman's vegan mayonnaise. No eggs in this at all. How much do you think this costs?
Well, if you're buying mayonnaise in New Jersey and ShopRite, it's probably that's vegan, so... I'm going to say $8.
All right. It is $4.86. You are incorrect again.
I'm wrong again.
All right. Now
I can't get anything in the bowl.
Yeah, I didn't actually put it in my bowl. I like to use a little bit of mayonnaise in my honey mustard dipping sauce. That's an optional ingredient. You could just use straight yogurt. And obviously we need mustard to go into our honey mustard dipping sauce. And how much do you think this is? The Great Value brand. So this is not a brand name. This is the Walmart store brand. However, it is organic.
It is organic, but it is organic and it's from Walmart. How many ounces is it?
This is 12 ounces of honey Dijon mustard, organic Dijon mustard. So how much do you think this organic Dijon mustard costs?
$1.77.
Whoa, very close. It was $1.50.
Ooh.
Now I'm using a pretty good amount today.
I like mustard.
Yeah, I do too.
I like mustard.
And as you see, what?
Olive oil?
No, this is because vegans don't use honey, so technically I can't really call this a honey mustard dipping sauce, but I'm going to call it that. We spell it HONEE, not regular honey. So not to trigger or offend anybody with the semantics of vegan food. So I use agave. Oh, what's that?
It's called HOMEY sauce?
Honey Honey mustard. Don't you know what honey mustard is?
But you said spelled HOMMY.
No, HONEE. Honey.
Oh.
So
honey.
because
Oh,
because people who are not vegan get triggered by the words that we use. They don't like us using the same words, so we have to change our words a little bit. So this is agave. I'm using it in place of honey. How much do you think this agave cost?
I thought you said homey sauce.
Yeah, it is. It's homey sauce.
How much do I think the agave is? Agave, I'm going to say, I don't know. I never bought it before. It's a big bottle.
Yeah, this is 25.5 ounces.
$4.27.
Ooh, close again. $5.86.
Holy crap.
Yeah. So I have to put a pretty... Oh, I didn't open it yet. Here, I have to put a
I
pretty...
didn't make anything into the bowl. I missed every price.
Yeah, you did. Sorry about that. You're not going to the Showcase Showdown, but maybe I'll share my...
Question: If I did go to the Showcase Showdown, what would I want? What would I bid on?
I don't know. We didn't get that far yet. This is as far as we got.
Okay.
Pace yourself.
I like this.
Yeah, pace yourself.
I like this.
So here's my homey sauce for my tofu nuggets. I'll send you some to New Jersey. All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in to the Price is Right Crumb Boss edition, and we'll see you on the next one. Come on down.